Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a useful video editing trick, and that is fast and slow motion using a beginner-friendly video editing software called iMyFone Filme. Speed adjusting is a major category in video editing. There's always times when you need to adjust the speed of your video for a better presentation. It's used countless times during professional video editing for adding special effects to movies and clips. You can speed up or slow down your video to get that fast or slow motion effect for your clip. I'm sure you've noticed slow motion scenes during several action movies, and this is achieved by adjusting the speed of the video. So let's take a look at how to make this work with a few easy steps. Let's begin. Step 1. Download and open Filme on your computer. Step 2. Select Import Files or Folder to import your videos to the library. Step 3. Drag and drop your clips to the timeline. Step 4. Select the clip you'd like to add this effect to and click the speed icon in the toolbar. Move the slider to the right to increase the speed or to the left to slow it down, or simply enter a number to adjust the speed. Press OK to confirm the new speed. Step 5. Preview the video by clicking the play button to see if you want to make any more changes. And Step 6. Once you're happy with your video, export the video by selecting Export from the top menu. That's it, simple as that. Other than the fast or slow motion effects, Filme can also do a lot more with ease. Filme is an all-in-one video editor that comes packed full of editing tasks and requires minimum editing skills. Click the link in the description to learn more about this amazing software. And that's it for today's video. Please like and leave a comment and tell us what you thought about it. And make sure to tune in every week to learn more about video editing and hit that subscribe button. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!